Unveiling the charm of artisanal cooking. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to explore the essence of artisanal cooking. This concept is not just about food, but an entire philosophy that celebrates tradition, creativity, and quality. If you're curious to understand what makes artisanal cooking unique and why it's cherished by food enthusiasts around the world, you're in the right place. Artisanal cooking is a term that conjures up images of skill, passion, and dedication. It refers to a style of food preparation that is craft-based, focusing on handmade, high-quality products. This section unravels the meaning behind artisanal cooking and what sets it apart from regular culinary practices. Key characteristics of artisanal cooking. Handcrafted. Artisans take pride in crafting their food by hand, using traditional methods that have been passed down through generations. Quality ingredients. There's a strong emphasis on using the freshest, locally sourced ingredients to enhance the natural flavors. Small-scale production. Artisanal food is typically produced in small batches to ensure attention to detail and preserve its uniqueness. Passion and tradition. Artisans are often driven by a deep passion for their craft and a desire to maintain culinary traditions. In this section, we delve into why artisanal cooking holds a special place in the culinary world and how it impacts our dining experience and community. Contributions of artisanal cooking. Enhanced flavor and quality. The meticulous approach to selecting ingredients and preparing dishes results in superior taste and quality. Cultural preservation. Artisanal cooking helps in preserving unique recipes and traditional cooking techniques that are part of a region's heritage. Community support. By sourcing ingredients locally, artisanal chefs contribute to the local economy and foster community relationships. Environmental sustainability. The preference for organic and locally sourced ingredients promotes sustainable agricultural practices. Here, we offer tips on how you, as a viewer, can explore and appreciate the world of artisanal cooking, whether it's in your kitchen or at a local artisanal restaurant. Tips for embracing artisanal cooking. Visit local markets. Discover fresh, local produce and meet the artisans who are passionate about their craft. Attend workshops or cooking classes. Learn the art of artisanal cooking from the experts and understand the subtleties of this culinary practice. Support local artisanal restaurants. Experience the richness of artisanal dishes prepared by skilled chefs. Experiment in your kitchen. Try traditional recipes and techniques, and take the time to savor the process of cooking with quality ingredients. Artisanal cooking is more than just a way to prepare food. It's a celebration of tradition, quality, and community. By embracing this culinary art, we not only treat our taste buds to exquisite flavors but also support local cultures and sustainable practices. We hope this video has ignited your interest in artisanal cooking, and you're now inspired to explore this beautiful culinary tradition. Bon appétit, and see you in the next video.